Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with Carson. For the next Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 40. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Tails Crush. Hello Sonic, what you doing out here in the desert with Tails and Knuckles? Knuckles, use your hands. Watch your face.
We're in the home stretch. Just gotta get through the valley of broken glass. Huh?
Broken glass? Wait a minute, glass? There's no glass in the desert, isn't it?
Paper cut. What's our time, Tails? Tails?
What? Oh, I forgot to hit stop. Can you do it again?
Oh.
Or not.
Eggman's finally lost it. You gotta come see this.
Means you gotta come see this, Amy said.
People there all day waiting for that package. I had to take a 2-minute shower. 2 minutes! And when I get out, there's a note on my front door saying I missed the delivery and I need to pick it up here. Why couldn't you just leave the thing instead of leaving the note?
Because we've been...
Everyone is gathering up in the crowd around the post office to come see this.
I just need the note that's
Huh.
your residence.
I just signed for it.
You only have to sign for it at home. To pick it up here, you need the note that we left. Why are you complicating this, sir? It's a very simple policy.
I have a new policy.
Excuse me.
Decimator bot, engage!
Sonic and your friends, you have situations to save that guy from that robot.
Tails, initiate speeding swing surprise.
Sonic, somebody missed you, you gotta grab it. Bump. Way to go, Amy, to take out his arm.
Nux, time for a little teamwork.
Hey, Knuckles, grab his leg.
You haven't seen the last of me. I'll be back with that note.
Sonic will see about that.
Dude, what happened up there? You never miss a cue.
Hey, Tails. Huh? What? Oh, yeah. I was gonna say hi, but then, see you later.
Oh, I see what's going on here.
Oh, I know what's going on.
Yeah, that. Or our pal Tails has a crush on that girl.
What? Who? Zoe? No, Sticks was right. Definitely the tomato thing. Oh my gosh, Tails is in love. That is so adorable.
Oh my goodness, Tails and crush to Zoe.
That's not adorable. I'm serious and formidable.
Aww.
I just don't know how to talk to her though.
Don't worry, pal. You're about to be enrolled in the Sonic School of Impressing the Ladies. That's a good school.
Impressed
Where I
the
study
ladies.
refrigerator.
Nice to be teach to Tails.
First things first. When talking to women, you gotta play it cool. Don't let her know you're interested.
Play it cool. Got it.
And if you do strike up a
Yeah,
conversation,
do not be shy.
Sarcastic and always have a one-liner ready. Allow me to demonstrate. I've hired a local actor to play the part of girl.
Okay, first off,
Would you like to accompany
Sonic
me to a
set
movie
this
or show?
test. This is a test.
Because I can change.
Nah, it's cool. I'm just super swamped. Can't be tamed. Born to run. You know how it is.
Well, maybe we can get a lime Ricky at the local malt shop sometime.
Yeah, maybe. Look, I gotta bounce. Catch you on the flip side, babe.
Call me. We can be happy together.
That guy's wearing a costume to be a woman. Yeah.
I found the note. It was in the dumpster behind my lair. I hope you're happy. Now give me my package.
Tails, give it a try. Tails, she didn't see you. Try the other way.
Oh, hi, Tails. Didn't Whatever. I don't care. I'm busy anyway. Catch you on the flip-flop. Okay.
Tails, you're gonna need to learn more than that. Take one.
It appears that package is back out for delivery.
Out for delivery? What? Why?
Nobody came to pick it up.
I came to pick it up.
That's not what it says here.
See, your first
Knuckles will teach you of this.
women, or as I called them, the ladies.
The ladies.
Yeah, now you're getting it.
Yeah, that's right, Tails.
Someone who's manly.
Let me write that in my Hello Doggy journal.
No, dude.
Manly. Gotta lift weights, eat red meat, take up woodworking.
Yeah, not writing a note.
I don't know. It seems a little archaic. Do women really respond to that?
If you have a muscle, the girls will like your muscles.
Rerouted? My package has been rerouted? To where? Guatemala.
Tails, give it a try.
I was just at the gym throwing some weights. This table's got some excellent craftsmanship. What's that, birch? Cedar? I think it's particle board. Oh yeah, I had a particle board tree once, chopped it down, built me
Looks like a birch of the table of wood to me. Ooh! Looks Chinese or Japanese or Korean meat to me.
Oh, a Hello Doggy pencil to go with my notebook. I think I left my bandsaw running.
Tails, you gotta learn more than that too.
All wrong.
Take two.
Want to know what women want? Talk to a woman. That's brilliant. Women
Amy
are
will
great.
teach you about
I'm a woman.
this.
I'm refined and elegant like a delicate flower, you jerk! Now, as I was saying, girls like romance and chivalry. You know, like in the movies. Watch and learn.
Now my voice is like a songbird. Let my eyes feast upon your beauty and
Is that tears on Amy's eyes?
A thousand roses would not dare smell as sweet as you.
Huh?
Even if my face is hidden beneath the mask, your heart is visible to me, now and forever. Oh!
Oh, Amy, are you crying? No, she's not. Tails, give it a try.
Come forth from your chamber window. Hello? How now, brown cow? Your voice is like a songbird singing songs, and you smell. What?
Oh my
like a
goodness,
flower
Tails
sometimes.
doing all
Not
wrong.
sweet, something better.
I know you have my package in your wagon. Just give it to me.
Once it's in the wagon, I have to deliver it to your residence.
Yo, for the love of... Not this train wreck again.
Looking into your eyes is like looking into a pair of eyes. Nice ones, even.
Tails, you gotta learn more than that. Don't be terrible at this. Take three.
Brady displays his radiant, colorful plumage. His mustache
Six will teach you about this.
to assert his dominance over the animal.
Can she?
Well,
I don't know.
Tails, are you feeling okay? Well, I'm great. Check out my majestic plumage.
Whoa, God bless you.
As long as you're all right.
I can't watch this anymore. You got no game, kid. Let me help you.
You? But you're our sworn enemy.
Nonetheless,
Yeah, Jajime, you are Sonic's arch nemesis.
Take my advice. You'll never land a girl by acting like someone else. Just be confident in your own pelt. And for Pete's sake, ditch the feathers.
How do I know I can trust you?
Believe me, you don't. It's no hair off my mustache.
Can Jajime teach Tail about this?
Town square.
Your package.
Finally! My new background music generator. This will really make my attacks more exciting.
What the? Oh, jeez, not that robot again. But painted up as this is red and black.
Sweet, listen to those drums.
Tails, you gotta fight back. Tails, you gotta save Zoe.
No need, Sonic. I've
Zoe, Tails got this. He'll save ya. Tails, you did. You saved Zoe.
Everything he knows.
Tails, finish him. Woohoo! Yeah! What a hero!
Tails, you are amazing.
Oh, Tails has a girlfriend who being kissed from Zoe. That's more like it. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 40, Tails Crush, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I'll make some more videos. Before I have to go about this episode, that was lovely episode that we watched in reaction with director Carson. I can't believe Tails has a new girlfriend, Zoe. You'll look in the image. What I meant is, first is Google search, and you could go in the image if you want to. Yeah, it'll be lovely. Also, I have a girlfriend. Her name is Camille Maggio. So, goodbye.